You know, with David Bell taking over as manager, it's a fresh start and a whole new season for the Cincinnati Reds in 2019. So if you haven't been to a Reds game in a little while, this would be a great time to buy some discounted tickets. Sean Lind and his son were checking out the Reds merchandise here at Cook Sporting Goods downtown and feeling good about the upcoming season with its new manager and players.
I don't know if it's just him, but maybe the new talent. It's a shame that they're only on a one-year contract, but they do look like they're optimistic as far as what they can do on the field.
If you want to join Sean at the ballpark, the good news is there are many ways to slash your ticket costs. Reds tickets are still just $5 for the upper view level seats, with many seats around $20. In addition, for the 2019 season, the Reds are once again adding Family Sundays, 3 half-price tickets with 1 adult admission, Thirsty Thursdays. $30 gets you a lower level ticket, $10 concession credit, and a free soft drink. And free post-game concerts once again. Zed is Friday, July 26th, with another to be announced soon. Also, pick 6 ticket deals starting at $90 for 6 games of your choice, including a Joey Votto bobblehead. Dolly Lindley's feeling good.
I'd say they're not going to win their division, but they'll do really well.
But if you're not the biggest baseball fan, check out some of these bobblehead nights. Game of Thrones night, May 15th. Star Wars night, May 31st. Marvel Ticket night, June 14th. Cincinnati Zoo night, June 18th. And Grateful Dead night, Friday, August 16th. Asterisk, a fun evening, but the Grateful Dead is not performing. Finally, remember that the Reds work under dynamic pricing these days, where a Tuesday game in May or June will be a lot cheaper than a Saturday night game in July. Keep that in mind when you're buying your tickets so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese 9 on your side.